everyone. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the press. This afternoon, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu received in audience the acting chairman of the Federal Inland Revenue Service, Mr. Zach Adedeji, as well as the chairman of the Tax Policy Review Committee, Mr. Taiwo Oyedele, where the committee presented to Mr. President a report on quick wins achieved by the Tax Policy Review Committee in conjunction with directives given by His Excellency Mr. President on the day that committee was inaugurated. After listening to a presentation by the committee chairman, the President directed the Special Advisor to the President on Policy Coordination to liaise with the Secretary to the Government of the Federation and the Chairman of the Tax Policy Review Committee to ensure that the recommendations of the committee are swiftly and immediately implemented across all ministries, departments, and agencies of the federal government to ensure that there is effective synergy and to ensure that every institution of the federal government is on the same page with respect to how tax policy will be implemented henceforth. His Excellency Mr. President has also made available an opportunity for the recommendations of the Tax Policy Review Committee to be made a topmost priority at the next sitting of the Federal Executive Council meeting on Monday. Mr. President will continue to emphasize the importance of ensuring that our tax authorities are not taxing the seed, but are taxing the fruit. And that will continue to be the focus. We want to ensure that our citizens are receiving the best of public service provision, and that is only going to be possible when we have expanded the tax net to such an extent that we are collecting tax to GDP reaching the 18% threshold as directed and targeted by His Excellency Mr. President, without any undue burden being placed on the most vulnerable segments of our population, and without in any way increasing in any substantial form the taxes being levied on large-scale industry, medium-scale industry, and small-scale industry in the country. Thank you very much.